Hello everyone, welcome back to Csylnaturals DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make aloe vera gel and store it for years. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you've been following my videos and you're subscribed already, thank you so much. So to start with this tutorial, I'm going to use a medium size of aloe vera. I got this from my garden. So after washing and damping it with tissue paper, I'm going to cut out the outer layer, which is the green part. And with my knife, I will gently scrape out the inner part as I'm doing at this point in this video. So carefully do this as I'm scraping it. Make sure that the green part is not included. Green part is not included. So after bringing out the white part from it, I'm going to use my hand blender. With my hand blender, I'm going to blend it to a fine liquid. I'm going to take my time at this point, taking my time to do this. I'm not rushing it. So after blending for some minutes, and here is what I got. This is the result. Now with my strainer, I'm going to pour in my aloe vera, my blended aloe vera. And with my strainer, I'm going to strain it to separate the particles, the residue from the gel itself. So at this point, I'm going to use an ice cube from the fridge, and I'm going to pour in my aloe vera gel. Then I'll allow it to sit in the freezer for some minutes. After 4 hours, this is what it looks like. So guys, at this point, this can stay as long as you want it. As long as you want it, guys. You can use this on your hair whenever you want to make a DIY using aloe vera gel. You bring it out and it will dissolve. After defrosting, you can use it for whatever reason purpose you want to use it for. So guys, this is the result. If you have any question, if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos, like them, and comment. And stay tuned. Remember, Thursdays and Saturdays is always my uploading day. Let's meet in the next video. See you next time. Bye.